Welcome to Mastering the Art of Influence, Winning Friends and Impacting Lives. Are you in a rut of talking only to your plants or confiding in your goldfish? If so, you're on the right track. This is a transformative journey, an adventure of metamorphosis. Today we're diving deep into secrets that will broaden your social circle beyond your potted plants and aquatic friends. Expect to learn impactful strategies that will leave a memorable yet delightful mark on those around you. So brace yourself for a journey to win friends and influence people, goldfish and ferns notwithstanding. Imagine a world where you're the life of every party, even if it's just a party of two, where your charisma and authenticity have people magnetized to you like bees to honey. And no, we're not dreaming. So what's the secret sauce? Empathy, my friend. Empathy is like the golden ticket, allowing you to see the world through another's eyes. Spend a little time listening, understanding, and genuinely caring. It's kind of like working out, but for your soul. The opportunities this could up for you would knock your socks off, or at least make them do a little happy dance. Next up, let's dive into the magical world of positivity's power. No, don't worry, we're not going to discuss your phone's battery level here. Like a pack of moths on a wild Friday night, people tend to flock towards those bright souls who radiate positivity and optimism. Be it expressing gratitude, showering genuine praises, or engaging in constructive conversations, it's all part of the positivity party. This concocts a nurturing ambiance where everyone blooms and flourishes. And hey, who doesn't like a good blooming party, right? Now, let's talk about active listening. Yes, it's more than just nodding your head while pretending to understand quantum physics. Put down your phone, you can swipe right on those dating apps later. Look people in the eye. No, not in a creepy way, just the right amount of eye contact. Dive into conversations like you're diving into a pile of crispy French fries. The depth of connection and learning that complete attention provides is akin to finding a free Wi-Fi spot in the middle of nowhere. Seriously, it's that good. Finally, let's talk about the real deal. No, not reality TV real, but the kind that keeps you from being a duplicate of every other Joe or Jane on the street. People, believe it or not, have this Sherlock Holmes-like ability to sniff out the difference between someone wearing a mask and someone who's just being themselves. So, put on your party hat, embrace your quirks, stay true to your wacky self, and watch as your authenticity turns into a big, flashing neon sign that says, "Follow me." Boring? No way, you're simply too authentically hilarious for that. So as we wind this up, let's make it clear. Mastering the art of influence isn't about turning into a sneaky puppet master. It's about creating genuine connections and leaving positive footprints in lives. By being an empathy ninja, radiating positivity like a mini sun, practicing active listening like a pro and keeping it real and authentic, you can grow a garden of lasting friendships and become a magnet for influence across your network. Thank you for investing your time in this video, and taking the first step in your journey to becoming a connection superhero. If you found these nuggets wisdom worthy, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on our channel and get your regular dose of similar content. Because together we can continue to win friends, influence people, and maybe, just maybe, take over the world. Well, the good part of it anyway.